Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel called Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some classical Vintage Farmhouse Decor inspiration. Let's start the video. The most authentic classical Vintage Farmhouse homes are not created in a single shopping trip. They are built gradually through thoughtful collecting, layering, and appreciation for craftsmanship. This is what gives the style its depth and timeless beauty. The concept of quiet luxury. Long before the phrase became popular, farmhouse homes embraced a form of quiet luxury. Luxury was found in handcrafted furniture, high-quality natural materials, durable construction, beautiful antiques, fine linen, and meaningful heirlooms. The focus was never on showing wealth. Instead, it was about surrounding yourself with objects that were useful, beautiful, and made to last. Heirloom features. A hallmark of classical vintage farmhouse decor is the presence of heirloom quality furnishings. Examples include solid oak dining tables, antique hutches, wooden blanket chest, handmade rocking chairs, and vintage dressers. These pieces often become more beautiful with age and can be passed down for generations. The art of imperfection. One of the most important farmhouse principles is embracing imperfection. Valued characteristics include uneven wood grain, own paint finishes, handmade pottery variations, slightly fitted textiles, aged metal surfaces. These details create authenticity and warmth. Traditional room arrangement. Classical farmhouse rooms are designed around comfort and conversation. Common layouts include sitting arranged around a fireplace, large dining table as gathering centers, reading corners near windows, open kitchens connected to dining spaces. The goal is to encourage connection and daily living. Farmhouse botanical influence. Nature plays a major role in the style. Popular botanical elements, wildflowers, lavender, rosemary, olive branches, eucalyptus, and seasonal greenery. Botanical prints and floral motifs are also appear in artwork, fabrics, wallpaper, decorative accessories. Traditional patterns. The style often uses subtle classical patterns rather than bold modern designs. Common patterns gingham, ticking stripes, small florals, plaid, and tile. These patterns add visual interest while maintaining a timeless appearance. The importance of texture. Texture is often more important than color in farmhouse design. A room may combine rough wood, smooth pottery, soft linen, often wicker, aged metal, and cozy wool. The mixture of textures creates richness, even in a neutral color palette. Creating authentic farmhouse charm. Many designers follow a simple formula: 60% foundation. Use neutral wall, wood furniture, and natural flooring. Next, 30% texture, like rugs, curtains, coils, and baskets. 10% character. Use antiques, vintage collections, and personal treasures. This balance prevents the room from feeling cluttered, while still showcasing personality. What makes a room feel truly farmhouse? The answer is not a single decorative item. A true classical vintage farmhouse room typically contains natural materials, practical furnishings, warm lighting, collected antiques, personal history, comfortable setting, and seasonal touches. When these elements work together, the room feels authentic rather than themed. The legacy of the style. Classical vintage farmhouse decor has endured because it is based on enduring values: simplicity, craftsmanship, comfort, family, tradition, and connection to nature. These values never go out of fashion. At its highest expression, classical vintage farmhouse decor creates the home that feels as though it has been lovingly cared for over generations. A place where every owned wooden table, fitted quilt, and antique treasure contributes to a story of warmth, history, and timeless beauty. Classical vintage farmhouse decor, mastering the authentic look. As you move beyond the basics, classical vintage farmhouse decor becomes less about decorating and more about creating a lifestyle. The most beautiful farmhouse interiors feel natural, unforced, and deeply personal. The difference between rustic and classical vintage farmhouse. Many people confuse these styles, but they are not the same. Rustic farmhouse, rough and rugged, heavier wood tones, more exposed textures, casual appearances. Classical vintage farmhouse is softer and more refined. Elegant antiques is balanced color palette. Greater attention to detail is timeless rather than rugged. A classical vintage farmhouse home often feels like a blend of country comfort and understated elegance. The collected over generations principle, the most authentic farmhouse homes rarely contained matching furniture sets. Instead, they feature different wood finishes, various antique periods, handmade accessories, family heirlooms, and flower market finds. This creates depth and personality that cannot be achieved with most product decor. Signature antique pieces. If you want an authentic classical vintage farmhouse look, prioritize these pieces. In the living room, use antique coffee table, vintage trunk, wooden bookcase, and brass floor lamp. In dining room, harvest table, wands or chairs, antique hut, and ironstone collection. In the bedroom, wooden spindle bed, antique dresser, white stands, quiet chest. These pieces become focal points and give the room historical character. Farmhouse styling show the seasons. All secret of farmhouse decorating is seasonal adaptation. Spring, use white tulips, botanical prints, and light linen textiles. For summer, use wicker baskets, pressed garden flowers, and light cotton fabrics. For autumn, use dried wheat, wooden bowls, and cozy straws. For winter, use evergreen garlands, candlelight, and layered quilts. The foundation stays the same while accessories change with the season. The importance of handmade items. Traditional farmhouse homes celebrated craftsmanship. Examples: crochet table runners, handmade quilts, knitted drawers, hand-strung pottery, hand-woven baskets. These items add warmth and individuality that factory-made product often lack. Farmhouse decorating mistakes to avoid: too much distressing. Not every piece should look old or damaged. Overcrowding surfaces, leave breathing room between decorative objects. Buying everything new, mix genuine vintage items with newer pieces. Ignoring functionality, farmhouse decor should always remain practical. Using too many trends, timeless farmhouse design focuses on longevity rather than short-lived fashions. Creating a signature farmhouse mood, the mood should feel warm, welcoming, peaceful, nostalgic, comfortable, and timeless. Every design choice should support these feelings. The highest level of classical vintage farmhouse design. The finest farmhouse interiors often include architectural character, quality antiques, natural materials, handmade details, soft neutral colors, meaningful collections, seasonal touches, comfortable living spaces. When all these elements come together, the result is a home that feels rich in history, full of personality, and effortlessly elegant. The ultimate goal of classical vintage farmhouse decor is not to recreate the past exactly. It is to capture the warmth, craftsmanship, and enduring beauty of traditional farmhouse living while making it relevant and comfortable for modern life. To truly understand classical vintage farmhouse decor, it helps to understand its roots. This style developed from traditional farmhouses where families lived, worked, cooked, entertained, and raised children under one roof. Every object had a purpose, and the beauty came from craftsmanship, durability, and everyday use. Historical influences. Classical vintage farmhouse decor draws inspiration from 19th century rural farmhouses, traditional country cottages, early American farmhouse interiors, European countryside homes, family homestead passed down through generations. Because of these influences, the style feels rich in history and tradition. The principle of honest materials. One of the foundations of farmhouse design is the use of honest, natural materials like wood, the heart of farmhouse interiors, used for floors, ceiling beams, tables, cabinets, and chairs. Stone often appears in fireplaces, hearths, and garden pathways. Use linen and cotton used throughout the home because they are comfortable, breathable, and durable. The beauty of these materials comes from their natural character rather than artificial finishes. The importance of a focal point. Traditional farmhouse rooms often revolve around a focal point. Examples include living room, use stone fireplace, antique cabinet, and grand bookcase. Dining room, large harvest table, vintage candlelight. Kitchen, use farmhouse sink, wooden island, open shelving display. A strong focal point gives the room structure and visual balance. Farmhouse collections and displays. Collections are often displayed thoughtfully rather than hidden away. Popular farmhouse collections include iron stone dishes, vintage pottery, wooden rolling pins, antique skulls, copper cookware, botanical books, and old clocks. The key is displaying collections in a way that feels crowded, not cluttered. The farmhouse color evolution. Traditional farmhouse colors are often inspired by available natural pigments. Classic shades include buttercream, soft white, warm ivory, shell cream, dusty blue, muted mustard, and weathered gray. These colors continue to define the style today because they feel calm and timeless. Farmhouse lighting secrets. Lighting dramatically affects the farmhouse atmosphere. The most authentic homes rely on table lamps, wall sconces, lantern-style fixtures, candles, warm-toned bulbs. Soft lighting enhances the aged beauty of old textiles and antiques. Why the style feels so comforting? The emotional appeal comes from several factors. Use familiar materials, warm colors, traditional craftsmanship, human scale furnishings, personal collections, historical references. The elements create a sense of security and belonging that my modern styles do not emphasize. The designer's role: balance old and new. A successful classical vintage farmhouse home rarely uses only antiques. The best interiors combine antique furniture, modern comfort, vintage accessories, contemporary functionality. For example, an antique dining table paired with comfortable updated setting, a vintage cabinet used for modern storage, a street charm mixed with practical living. The essence of classical vintage farmhouse at its core, this style celebrates heritage, simplicity, craftsmanship, comfort, family tradition, and timeless beauty. A truly successful classical vintage farmhouse home feels as though it has grown gracefully over decades, filled with treasured objects, natural materials, and stories that connect the past to the present. It is not merely decorated, it is lovingly collected, crafted, and lived in. I think today's ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.